Hey guys, it's Chantel. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another carbang. I have pancakes with french fries. I didn't know what I was getting, so I brought ranch and some cheese. So I don't know, I just have it on the side here. I already cut my pancakes. I already have one syrup packet on there, so I'll see if I need another one. And I hope you guys can see the food. Let me try to hold it like this. Hope you guys are too far, but this is the best setup I could do. I really got to get a higher car tray. Also, my pancakes well done. And they did a good job. Like, I don't like them burnt, but I don't want them undercooked, you know? Definitely probably need the other pack of syrup. It just sucks it up. I thought I was gonna get Subway, but I didn't feel like it. Depending on when, like for dinner, I wanted to have like some dinner rolls. So I was like, between the pancakes and the dinner rolls, I'm like, I was like, I think I'd rather get pancakes is what I'm trying to say. Versus all that bread from Subway. I was thinking about getting some ice cream today, but it's pretty early, so they're not open yet. But I think they open an hour and a half. Oops. See if I can dunk the fries. I'm gonna put some cheese on those fries. The cheese won't be melted, but still. I just don't want to go to waste because, like I said, I'm not going home for a while. And I just don't want to have this cheese out for like hours, you know? I just can't see the food. Their pancakes are like thick. I bought water and a soda because like I said, I didn't know what I was getting, so I'll get my water in a minute. I feel like I'm gonna do this. Should I put the pancakes together with the fries so you guys can see it? Hold up. You know, I'm starting to like this cheese more and more, not melt it. I guess I was just used to it being melted versus, you know, just on top of things, but yeah. Now the sliced cheese, no. That definitely has to be melted. That I've tried many times, not melted. I'm like, nope. shocker, I'm at Target again. I like ran out of well, I'm almost done with Clorox wipes, so I need some more of those and some water. Almost out of water too. They're probably like, we just saw you here. Well, actually, the day I went inside. It wasn't a pickup order. Today's a pickup order. Oh my God. Wow. That was crazy. This truck is going, you know, driving. And there's this big old Escalade behind it blowing, honking the horn at it. I guess he wasn't driving fast enough for him. It's a Target. It's a Target parking lot, not the freeway. Sometimes I'd be wondering what be going on. Oh, I was like, what? But I'm not gonna lie, some people do be driving some parking structures. That is irritating. But I don't know from what I saw, because I'm the guy there in front of me, so looked like the truck was going to normal speed to me. But sometimes I'm guilty of driving too fast in a parking structure just because, like, people want to get the closest parking spot. So they'll sometimes sit there and wait. And you're like, move on. You know, that's what irritates me. Like, move on. Yeah, I need another one. These things are thicker than thick. Thicker than a Snicker. Oh my God, I used to love Snickers. That was one of my favorite candy bars in the whole wide world. Snickers. That was one of the hardest things to stop eating, besides obviously peanut butter. But I'm gonna have my Snickers bar. Oh my gosh. And then I don't know, some years back they start making Snickers with almond nuts. Can't find her now though. Actually, my sister was who bought it for me. I was like, look what they have. A Snickers with almond butter. I was like, what? So, of course, I would go crazy and buying them. And then they even had like miniature ones. And then I want to say last year, I just couldn't find them anymore. Like, I think like April. I don't know why it sticks out, but I remember like they were having a sale like March. They were having a sale, so I was like buying a lot, and then it was like all of a sudden the next month they were like gone. I could not find them anywhere, and they didn't have them at Target. They had them like at the grocery store. So I really missed them. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm eating all these pancakes. Did I eat dinner last night? Oh, no, I did. I mean, I did, but not really. And it was early. I forgot that, somebody has antlers on their car. I used to get that for my car. Oh. Probably still order from Amazon real quick, but we'll see how much it is. If it's worth it. I always wanted to put eyelashes on my car, but you guys think that's tacky when people dress up their cars? I mean, obviously I'm not gonna do it for that luxury car, but I think it's cute. You guys decorate your car? Some people have wreaths. Like I've seen those, a lot of SUVs that have like a wreath on the front. And then, you know, of course I see all the antlers and stuff. So, all right, you guys, I'm done. Get some water. Go get my order. And then I still have like an hour to kill. I just don't want to go back home and come back out. That's just wasting gas. You know how I am about my errands. So I could just chill in the parking lot and walk around the little shopping center, or I can watch YouTube. So yeah, I'll be fine. No sense of going back home and then leaving again. So all right, you guys, thank you guys for watching. I don't know what I was rambling about, but pancakes, fries, good. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.